I'm bored. Okay, I want to tell you what you can do if you are really bored. If you are bored, there are things that you can do that are of value. What we don't want is you making mindless scrolling on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all that without an intention. And if you are on YouTube, I recommend you to be studying, trying to look for how to learn anything. That's what I really recommend. But you should stop mindless scrolling. You are always on TikTok, Instagram Reels. You're not productive. You may see that you have spent almost your whole life on the phone doing mindless things, scrolling on TikTok, scrolling on Instagram. It's really, you are really selling your life to the companies of TikTok and Instagram. You are selling yourself out, and we don't want you to sell out yourself. We want you guys to, I really want you and I wish you to have a better life, to have the best than what you really even sometimes think I may be wishing you to have. Guys, I'm gonna give you the 4 things you need to do, and I'll give you a fifth one. It's gonna be a bonus that you can do if you are bored, and they will be of value to you and you will be enjoying them according to anybody watching this video. 1, I really recommend you guys to try to browse all over the internet. Browsing the internet, you can go on your browser, any browser you have like Chrome, or if not you can go on Safari if you're on a Mac user, iPhone user, and you go on those browsers and you try to find out whatever thing you have imagined of, like how can I move to the stars, how can I do this, and you make browse around the internet, you search about it, how can I move to the stars, and you try to look out to the people who have tried to move out to the stars, and you browse all over the internet, you try to become a discoverer. That thing is somehow interesting. And if you really like to, if you have ever had a question on your mind, challenging question, and you have never got the answer, you have tried to look out the answer from the people around you, but you haven't got the right answer, I want to tell you guys that you can find it yourself if you are browsing around. So it makes you level up your understanding from the surrounded people around you, from the surrounding. You'll be on a high level than anyone. So browsing all over the internet, browsing discovery. Number 2, what I recommend you is to launch out projects. Like you can launch out, try to start a club, try to start a project, any project, building an application. And if you would like to code, learn how to code, hacking, what, you can really learn them on the internet. Try to look out for the best groups, you call out your friends, you do some projects, you build an app with AI, you can build anything simple but enjoying, but adding value to your life. Try to do things that are gonna add value to you. Really stop mindless scrolling. Don't just scroll on TikTok, Instagram, whatever social media. You are selling out your life to the company. Don't sell out your life to the company. Do something of great value. So that's the number 2. And number 3 I have for you is, whenever you are bored, you can do a body exercise. I don't want you to think of lifting up, running 3 miles, lifting up heavy loads, doing what. No, this exercise, I mean, if you really like basketball, you can go on a basketball ground and try to play basketball. And whenever you're playing basketball, your body is exercising, you are building a healthy body. So you go for exercising. Like if you like basketball, you go on a basketball court. Cricket, you can go football, You can go on running if you like running. You can go in gyms if you like to build muscles. And if you like boxing, you can join the boxing groups around your community. So you try to do something of value. You never know where you get a breakthrough. That's what they usually told us whenever we were young. They told us you never know what's your breakthrough. And so, number 4, I recommend you guys to join groups. Like you can join Telegram groups, you can join WhatsApp groups so that you can have live chats. You converse with the students around us. Usually, I recommend you to join education groups, education communities where you can go out, go for a live chat and talk with fellow students. You jazz around, you do what, but getting value, learning from one another, trying to teach them what they will teach you. So you make your life of great value, education, and also enjoying life. Living this world will only live once. We live only once. So guys, then you should interact with your fellow students. Don't interact with people that are not going to give value to you. So here it also helps you to build a good circle of your life that you can connect with different people who will add value to your life. So, and by the way, we have a group, a free group that you can join if you're a student. And if you would like to join, you can contact me. My email is on the screen. If not, you can go in the description and contact me. I have my WhatsApp contacts and also email contacts to join that free group, education group, only students, where you talk about education, you talk about your real life, they give you advice. And also we have chats with teachers who will teach you how to master this education so that you can be a high performing student. And guys, I'm gonna give you the bonus tip, and the bonus tip is here. Thing you can do if you are bored and you don't want to spend time on mindless scrolling. Number 2. Number 5. Listen to slow music. Organize a music playlist if you're on Spotify. Organize a good slow music playlist that can keep your mind on a good frequency where you will be on a concentrative level. If you try to go back, read books, revise books, listen to the slow music. That slow music builds a good vibe in you. The slow music and also good slow instrumental motivation music, it will motivate you, it will build the true mind frequency where you can easily learn stuff. And guys, thanks for watching. If you have reached this far, you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can be motivated to bring out such videos for you. Thanks for watching. Peace be with you.